Our Key Stage course is aimed at new entrants into the electrical industry. We introduce basic electrical theory, how and why we build electrical circuits, how we test those electrical circuits, and the course is based in the classroom and predominantly in a practical workshop. So it's a very hands-on, experiential course.
So far on the Key Stage, we've been learning about the basic circuits that you're going to be dealing with in day-to-day installations and the calculations to go behind that in how to design a circuit.
We've learned about installing vinyl circuits, radial circuits, sockets, that sort of thing. The guys are really helpful, the instructors are really nice guys, get along with them quite well, always happy to help. If you've got any questions you can just ask them. You know, they assume you know nothing, so when you don't know anything, they're not mean or anything, they're just quite nice and help out. It's good.
One of the things that we actually offer is the chance to produce the building blocks of knowledge for you to use on further modules that we offer. We recommend this to anybody entering the system because it gives you a background knowledge of what's involved in electrical installation.